Welcome back. Continuing the news. We begin this segment with news on crime. Data from the Jamaica Constabulary Force show that homicides are up by 7%. Anthony Lugg has the details.
It's been likened to a scene from a movie. Video of a raging gun battle between gunmen and police in Denham Town Tuesday evening. The bare-faced and brazen actions of the thugs help to paint a grim picture of the country's crime problem. Despite the increased police presence in communities deemed crime hotspots, questions continue to be raised about the effectiveness of the strategy. Since the start of the year, there have been 788 homicides when compared with 738 over the same period last year. That's a 7% increase. Data from the JCF show that in June alone, 139 people were murdered, the highest since January, when 145 homicides were recorded. In the St. Andrews South Police Division, there have been 100 murders. This is followed by St. James with 96, St. Catherine South with 70, and the Kingston Western Police Division with 69. Shootings are also up by 2%. Speaking during a tour of the Zoso in Norwood St. James recently, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson insisted the police won't let up.
Wherever the gangs feel that it's safe and that they can operate is exactly where we're going to go and right where they are.
The Prime Minister has also been facing the heat, with critics suggesting that the government has failed to effectively manage the crime problems facing the country. Here's how he responded.
We will get the criticisms, Commissioner. They will pick on us every day. It is our job to be picked on. You will hear all kinds of things being said, half of which are not true, not researched. We will maintain the political capital to stay the course, to see the benefits of making these long-term investments, which may not have the short-term results.
Despite the increase in murders and shootings, other crimes are on the decline. Rape, robberies, and break-ins are down by 34%, 25%, and 12% respectively. This is of little comfort to some citizens.
Why the police, the man is told them alone can't do it, because when police and soldiers can't turn up one place, night run, night come till daylight.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.